look at these funny Play-Doh heads we have on top of these. It looks like princess bodies. Look how many we have. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to play with them. Why don't we go ahead and maybe open up the head and play with one of these. Which one should we do first? Let's do this one. This one's pink. Do you know whose dress this is yet? Well, let's take off its little smile and these googly eyes. And look. Look who it is! It's Cinderella. She's in her pink party dress. Okay, now let's get this pink Play-Doh. Squish it up in a little ball. Flatten it out a little, and now I brought my rolling pin. And we're gonna roll it out. There we go. Woohoo! Look at that! Okay, now that it's all rolled out, all nice, what I want to do is I want to cut it in a circle. So let's cut this edge off, kind of like that. Let's see. Kind of get that part. Take off those pieces. That's a pretty good circle. Look how good that circle is. Oh, look, we only have a little bit of pink left over. Okay, so now we're gonna cut a little kind of X in the middle. Like that, see? Then we're gonna lift it up and let's put it on our princess. We're going to push this around, use this little knife to make it all smooth and flat under her arms. There we go. Look how pretty that flowy Play-Doh dress is on Cinderella. Can fold it a little to make it a little more pretty flow. Look how pretty it turned out. Good job, Cinderella. Okay, let's do the next color. This time we're gonna do red. And who has a mermaid tail? Let's take off the smiley and googly eyes. Ooh, pretty red. Whoa. 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 There we go, look, it's Ariel. Okay, now let's take this Play-Doh and roll it out. smush it down first, and then we're gonna roll it. We want to roll it in kind of the shape of a circle so we don't have to cut as much off. So we keep flipping it so it can be a circle. There we go, we want it all to be the same thickness. Okay, now let's cut it into a circle. So we cut this edge off, this part. This is going to be a little smaller circle. There we go, that's a good circle. Okay, now let's cut our X in the middle. Now let's put it over Ariel. Kind of hard with her hands down like that, but we got it to work. Look how pretty that flowy dress is. It's so long it touches the ground. So pretty, Ariel. Look how cute your dress is. Gonna set it right down right there. By Cinderella's. Okay, let's do the next one. This one's orange. And who has a bow and arrow? Let's find out. Orange. Who is that? It's Merida from Brave. Okay. Let's put this all up. Now let's roll out the orange Play-Doh. Oh no, Jasmine. Ooh, got it rolled out nice and smooth like. Okay, now let's cut it in a circle. Oops, look at that little spot. Okay, so we're gonna cut all of these little, patches off. Look how good that circle is. Okay, now let's do our little X in the middle. And let's put it on Merida. Gotta stretch it over all of her hair. There we go. Look at that, it's gonna poke out there. Look how pretty her dress turned out. So let's set her up there with her pretty dress. Now let's do the next one. The next one is yellow. Look who it is, it's Snow White. We love her, she's so pretty and cute. So let's roll out her pretty dress. Okay, now let's cut it in a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. That's a good circle size. So now just put a little X in there. Now let's put it over Snow White. There we go. There we go. There's her pretty yellow dress. Look at that, it's so flowy. Look how flowy all these are. Okay, now let's do the green one. There we go, it's Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. Cute. So let's roll out her green Play-Doh. We wanna roll it out. Roll it out, roll it out, roll it out. Roll it out, roll it out, roll it out. You wanna roll it out in a good circle. See how good we're doing? Yeah. Oops, let's do it right here in the middle. There we go. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna cut it in a circle. There. Now let's do our little X. I'm gonna put it right over her. Look how good that one is. Just want to do a little flowy pinchy things. Look how pretty. These are all turning out so good. Okay, let's do blue. Look who it is too. It's Aurora, sweet sleeping beauty. So let's roll out our blue. Oops. Get back up, Aurora. Okay, now we do our circle. There we go. And our little X. And then we're gonna put it right on over her. Look how pretty that one is. It folds over itself. Pretty. Put her right there. Now let's do our last one. It's purple. Look, it's Jasmine from Aladdin. She's so pretty with her pretty flowiness. Okay, so let's roll this one out. Whoops. There we go. Okay, now let's cut it in a circle. There. Okay, then we're gonna do this one a little different. We're just gonna start in the middle and cut a line out. Like that. And then we're gonna put it over her like this. And then connect it down here. Just like that. And look at her pretty flowing dress. That was so fun making all those pretty dresses. Why don't you say bye, princesses?